So let's go ahead and deep dive and start talking about the benefits or blunders or general tips on things that may affect your ability to fast track an ERP selection. So let's first talk about maybe some prerequisites, right? What are some best practices that can actually enable a timely project? These are the three that we came up with that we typically see most often. And the one that sticks out to me the most, that I'm probably most passionate about, is really number 3, high-level functional areas that are in scope. You really want to make sure before you start your selection project that you really scope out not only the right people, but also making sure that the right functions are involved, as well as the right locations, right? So if you're looking at selecting an ERP product that's going to be implemented across multiple locations, you want to consider which locations and which functions are going to be in that phase 1, which locations and functions are going to be impacted the most, right? And get those people involved from day 1 on that project to help define all of their requirements. So number 3 to me is really up there on the list of most important prereqs. Maureen, any comments on anything on this list as well?
One of the things that I see quite frequently is executive buy-in. So by getting the executive buy-in up front, you've identified the business case. You've also defined some outcomes that you want to see as a result of the implementation of an ERP system. What that does is that allows executives to really look at key deliverables and be able to measure the success of the ERP project. So by getting that all up front, it typically helps the company to fast track this ERP selection process. It also allows us with the cost expectations and alignment of budget.
Yeah, kind of number 1 and 2 kind of impact each other, right? Yep. So all of these 3 prerequisites, if we can start working on those ahead of time and really spend time leading into those, then we're thinking that we can definitely fast track some of our selection activities.